OpenClaw, build and automate anything. You are wasting hours every single week doing things a computer could do for you, copying and pasting, answering the same emails, checking the same apps over and over. And the worst part? You already have access to AI that could handle all of this. But most AI tools just sit there and wait for you to talk to them. They do not take action. They do not work while you sleep. They just answer questions. What if your AI could actually do the work? Not just tell you how. Actually do it. That is exactly what we are covering today. And by the end of this video, you are going to see how to set up an AI assistant that works in the background, connects to the apps you already use, and handles tasks for you around the clock. Let us talk about OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a free open source AI assistant that you run on your own machine, not in some company's cloud, on your hardware. Your data stays with you. Here is what makes it different from something like ChatGPT. ChatGPT lives in a browser tab. You go to it, you ask it something, it answers. Then you close the tab and go do the thing yourself. OpenClaw does not work like that. It runs 24/7 in the background, and it can take real actions. Read your emails, write files, browse the web, fill out forms, run code, manage your calendar, control your smart home, and much more. One user put it perfectly. He said the AI was able to create a new skill for automating his Todoist tasks entirely on its own, all from a Telegram chat. He did not write any code, he just asked for it. That is the level we are talking about here, and the number of people discovering this right now is massive. OpenClaw has grown to over 145,000 stars on GitHub. It became one of the fastest growing open source projects ever. Developers, business owners, and everyday users are all jumping on this because it actually does things. OpenClaw has something called skills and tools. These are how you expand what it can do. Tools are the core abilities, things like reading files, writing files, running commands, browsing the web. These are like the hands of the assistant. Skills are the instructions that teach it how to use those tools for specific tasks. Connect to Gmail, manage your Notion pages, work with your GitHub repos. These are like the training manuals. The public registry for skills is called ClawHub, and as of early February 2026, it had over 5,000 community-built skills. If it exists as a tool or service, there is probably already a skill for it. But here is the part that genuinely surprised me. If there is no skill for something you need, you can just ask OpenClaw to build it. You describe what you want, and it generates the skill files, adds them to your workspace, and you can test and tweak from there. It literally expands its own capabilities when you ask it to. Now, I want to be real with you here, because I know some of you are thinking this sounds either too technical or too good to be true. On the technical side, yes, this does require a little bit of setup. But the team built a one-line install command and an onboarding wizard that walks you through everything step by step. Most people are up and running in about 20 minutes. On the too good to be true side, there are real things you need to know. Because OpenClaw has access to your files, your apps, and your system, you need to be thoughtful about how you configure it. The security research community has flagged that misconfigured setups can expose your data. Cisco's AI security team found that some third-party skills could perform data exfiltration without the user knowing. One of OpenClaw's own maintainers warned publicly that if you are not comfortable with the command line, this project may be too risky to use safely. There is an approval mode where every action gets confirmed by you before it runs. Use it. Read the security guide before you start. Speaking of community, this is actually when I want to mention something that helped me get up to speed on tools like this way faster than I would have on my own. When I first started exploring AI automation tools, I was overwhelmed. There was so much to learn, and it was hard to figure out what was actually worth my time. That is when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time, versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Okay, back to OpenClaw. Let me give you some real examples of what people are actually doing with this. One developer set OpenClaw running on his coding agents while he slept, woke up to work that was done overnight. Someone set up a weekly meal planning system in Notion that now handles itself every week. Another user built a functional app during a coffee break by giving OpenClaw a task and letting it work while he stepped away. One of the public posts from an early user said he went from reading about it and thinking it looked complicated to controlling Gmail, Calendar, WordPress, and his server from Telegram in 30 minutes. Now, let me talk about the model side, because this is something a lot of people get wrong. OpenClaw is model agnostic. That means it does not force you to use one AI provider. You can connect it to Claude from Anthropic, GPT models from OpenAI, or run it entirely locally using Alima with no API costs at all. Some users report running it for under $5 a month using budget VPS providers and free local models. DigitalOcean also offers a one-click deployment option with a hardened security image starting at $24 a month if you want something more managed. So here is how to get started. You need Node.js on your machine. Run the one-line install command from the OpenClaw docs. The wizard will guide you through picking your AI provider, connecting your first messaging channel, and getting the gateway live. Start with Telegram. It is the easiest channel to set up. Get comfortable with basic tasks first. Ask it to summarize something, create a file, do a web search. Once that is working, head to ClawHub and start browsing skills that match what you actually need. OpenClaw is one of those tools that feels like a real shift, not just another chatbot. An actual working assistant that connects to your life and takes care of things while you focus on what actually matters.